Ni kigomano kia o mwaka kianyitite mia sacco itiganite guku bururi-ini Cusco kuria muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mbunge iganda na thothaiti kanini kega akiaria na andiki a mohoro arahinyiriirie mwerekero uria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta eriga kuruta kuri honge itiganite iria na mathiri gukorwo ikimariha ona ihenya. Kuringana na kanini kega, honge cia andu kiumbe na makiria honge cia thirikari nicio ihutitio na njira nene igukorwo igicokia ciuria cia kigiria gia kwaga kuriha mathiri maya.
A pending bill is a pending bill. Any amount of money that has been deducted from any person and it has not been remitted, definitely it forms part of the pending bill. We as a committee, from next week, we will be summoning any agency that owes any cooperative or any sacco monies to come and explain to us why they have not been able to remit the same. And as I said, the most notorious ones, the most notorious are county government and also government agencies.
Oho kanini ni ugite ati ni kuri na mubango wa guthondeka watho wati mathukuru kwa muhiano universities hamwe na thirikari cia county aria matarihite mathiri maya ona thutha wa kwamukira kuma kuri aria marahe motungata ta arutwo maririhaga mathiri maya na njoherera.
There is no way you can hold contributors money and you are not limiting, yet you still pay the same principle. If you are going to hold any amount, then definitely it has to come with an interest.
Kuringana na mubunge uyu wa Kieni, watho uyu ni wagirirwo ni gwikirirwo na njira nene niguo honge ici cigie na wigiririki kuona cirio na itemi ria ukuria wa kigina bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Waithira wa Gicohi.